Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking to lose weight but you don't have the energy and time to do intensive exercises, or you can do the exercises but just looking for ways to structure your routine, so this video is for you. So in today's video I'll be sharing some simple and realistic way to lose weight. All you need to do is to be consistent, and trust me, within a short period of time you should be able to see results. So here is number one thing you need to start doing. You need to start applying the half veggie rule. How does this work? Whenever you want to eat a meal, fill half of your plate with vegetables and then split the other half between protein and healthy carbs. Your vegetables could be spinach, pumpkin leaf, green, depending on what vegetable you have available. We also have kale. You can give it a try. And your protein could be chicken, eggs, fish, tofu, and beans. For your healthy carbs, you could try sweet potatoes, rice, plantain, yam, and swallow. The most important thing is that you're applying portion control. So why does this work? Vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, so they help fuel you up without making you gain weight. And the proteins, they help build and protect your muscles. They keep you fuller for longer and reduces cravings. So here you're less likely to snack later. And for your healthy carbs, they give your body energy and support your brain and body functions. They also contain fiber that keeps your digestion smooth and steady. So altogether, this balanced plate prevents overeating. They support your fat loss and keep your energy level stable all day, without you having to starve yourself or follow any strict diet. So you could give this a try. So number two, here is another thing you need to do. You need to cut out sugar drink from your daily diet completely. Here is how you're going to do it. You need to stop taking sodas. You need to stop taking sweetened juice. You need to stop taking energy drinks and sugary coffees. Drink plain water instead. Try lemon water or unsweetened tea instead. So here is why this works. Sugary drinks are full of empty calories and they don't fuel you up for longer. They cause you to gain weight without helping your hunger. And research has shown that cutting out just one sugary drink a day can help you lose up to 1 to 2 pounds per month without changing anything else. So here is another thing you need to do, which is number 3. Only eat when you're hungry. I know it could be tempting to eat because you have food around the house. So here is what you need to do. Whenever the urge to eat something strikes in, ask yourself, am I really hungry or am I bored or tired? So to be able to know if you're hungry, grab a glass of water, drink it and wait for 10 minutes. If the hunger persists, go ahead and take something healthy. Here is why this works. We often eat out of habit, not because we are hungry. So learning how to eat only when you're hungry will help you cut back on unnecessary calories without you having to try any dieting. So number 4, always eat with a smaller plate. Here is how you're going to do. Whenever you want to eat a meal, always eat it with a small plate or bowl and avoid eating directly from the pot or package. So you could try this method at home. I have this plate, I got it for myself. So in here, I'm going to have my carbs, my protein, and my veggies. And whenever I'm done with whatever is in this plate, I am done for food for the moment. So you could give it a try. It really works. So here is why this is going to work. So whenever your brain sees a full plate, it feels satisfied, even if the portion size is small. And this simple change can help you naturally reduce portion size and eat less without feeling like you're missing out on anything. So number 5, which is the last one, you need to apply some daily light movement. So here is what you need to do. You need to do some movement during the day. It could be stretching in the morning. It could be walking around the house, for 30 minutes or around your neighborhood for 1 hour, depending on how much you're able to do. And dance when you're doing some chores around the house. You could take the staircase. If you have a staircase, go up and down the staircase for 30 minutes. And if you're someone who likes exercising, you could try some exercise on YouTube. I have exercise as well. I have full body exercises. You can also try lifting weight. Do some full body workouts with dumbbell for 15 minutes. You don't have to go extreme. 10 minutes is also very, very important. The most important thing is that you're staying consistent. And remember, where there is movement, there is life. So this is why moving your body helps your body and why this is going to work. So light movement, they help boost your metabolism and help you burn calories gently throughout the day. It also improves your mood and keep your energy level up, making it easier for you to make healthy food choices. So to wrap up, let me recap on everything I've said so far. So number 1, apply the half plate veggie rule. Number 2, cut out on sugary drinks. And number 3, eat only when you're hungry. And number 4, eat with smaller plates. And lastly, apply light daily movement. And please, while you're doing all this, you need to be patient with your body. Results takes time. And please be kind to yourself and be patient, because the result is going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. Your body is not some kind of Amazon Prime. You would want it to be delivered overnight. Please be patient. And when you're patient and consistent, the result is going to happen. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a like, share to someone who might need it. So see you in my next video. Bye.